I am going to be trying and reviewing. I'm so excited for all of the new, not new, maybe new? I don't know, I haven't really looked. Let's go together. The holiday drinks at Starbucks, the red cups, are they gonna be red cups? Are they gonna be, I don't know. They change every year. I miss just all the red cups though. Holiday 2020 drinks. They came out a few hours ago. I just did some swatches right here, so don't mind that. I cannot wait. If you guys wanna see this, I know it's not Tuesday, Taste Test Tuesday, but it just came out today and I really wanted to get this video up and share them with you guys and get you in the holiday spirit. I mean, I love summer. Fall's to me, but winter, not winter, Christmas, holiday, sparkly snow, gingerbread men, snowmen up on houses like this, Santa coming down the chimney, leaving cookies for Santa, everything like that. Just the cheeriness is what gets me really excited. And I love just the positivity. I feel like we need it right now in the world. I think we just need to take a tiny little break of what's going on in the world. Don't forget what's going on in the world. Don't put it in the back burner. But just for, you know what, however long this video is, a few minutes, let's just chill. Direct our attention to something else, some cute drinks. That's what I'm going to do today. So if you guys want to come with me and get scoop up all the holiday drinks, let's go do that. So come with me. It's getting kind of dark right now, but that's just winter, right? That's what we live right now, as the sun goes down at 2 p.m. So come with me, let's go see what we can get, and I hope I can put some holiday cheer and get you guys excited for Christmas already. Let's go. I'm here, I'm stressed out. I feel like I was gonna do all new drinks. There's one. There's one new holiday drink. So if I get all the drinks, that's 12 drinks. What? For the 12 days of Christmas? Is that what we're doing? So I'm just gonna get a bunch of the drinks. So I wanted to title this Getting Every Drink and then be every drink, but I'm stressed out right now. The menu is all green things around. I can't wait to show you guys. Cheer this way, it says. Me starting to cheer. I don't even know what I'm getting. Can I get a Grande Irish Cream Cold Brew? And I will also do a Grande Caramel Brulee Latte, a Grande Peppermint Mocha Frappe. And do you guys have the gingerbread latte?
Yeah, we sure do.
Okay, I will do a tall gingerbread latte and a Grande Gingerbread Frappe. I don't even know how many drinks I just ordered. What did I get? I'm gonna drink them all. I don't care. I don't care if I have to put them all in the fridge. I don't care. I'm gonna drink them all. I'm gonna be so happy. I should have got a snowman cookie. How many drinks did I get? I just saw everything. I was like, ah! Look at these. Look at you guys. Look at how festive. Around there, it's all green and woo, with the boxes in the back. It's beginning to look a lot like there's toys in every store. Are there toys in every store anyway? Why does this song say that? Toys in every store. Why did they... What? Move his voice up a dollar got too. Anyways, I'm going crazy. It's all pitch black outside. They weren't even advertising the eggnog. Is there eggnog frap? What's even happening? Anyone that has done this video and said trying all the new holiday drinks is a liar. You know why? Because let's just say the gingerbread frap, for instance. Gingerbread drink. You can get the gingerbread latte, gingerbread frappe, and gingerbread iced. So that's 3 with 1, okay? So that means eggnog, frappe, latte, and iced. That's 6 drinks right there, just with 2 kinds. Peppermint mocha frappe. So because however many there are times 3. So there's no way to try every drink. There's absolutely no way. Anyways, it's beginning to be nice to the worker. Wear a mask. This mask is huge. I put it on backwards. Do I get any free thing? Please, in the comments down below, do you guys wear a mask in the drive-thru? Okay. Okay, awesome. And that's it? Yep. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting right now. This is just stressful for me, but I want to get this video up for you guys, and I hope the content and my energy is better than the lighting. Look at all of them! Oh my goodness! Oh my god, we found lights. We found lights. Okay, so the very first drink that we're trying is the newest one, the only new one, I'm pretty sure, and it's the Irish Cream Cold Brew, and it said it had a sprinkling of cocoa or something like that. It does taste like Irish cream. I was about to say where's the alcohol, because Irish cream to me, it's Irish cream is alcohol, so it's virgin drinks. At Christmas, everyone to me has Irish cream coffee. There's alcohol in it. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I feel like it doesn't really taste like Irish cream that much. It's just a cold brew that has a little bit of milk in it. Okay, well, it's cute. She's all dazzling there with her sparkles and stars. We love her. The next one we have, I actually don't know what this is. What is this? Gingerbread Frappe. Oh my god, you guys. Gingerbread Frappe. Look at how cute this? Tastes right away. Oh, tastes like cookies. And then get the frap. It's like, you know, crunchy with like the ice in it with the frap. Oh, it just reminds me of like molassesy gingerbread cookies. It is so good. Unmatched. The gingerbread frap, my favorite one. I feel like it's almost different this year, to be honest. It tastes different, like more gingery. Next we have is a Grande caramel cold brew. This is such a cute cup, look at it. So here's the other one. Let me know also what your guys' favorite drink is from Starbucks. Let's look at it. Oh, they didn't fill it, just kidding. It smells like a French vanilla, which is weird because that's not what this is at all. Caramel brulee, so good. It's a very slight caramel taste. It has coffee in it, so it's got that coffee-y taste. If you don't like hot chocolate, I'm going to look at like Christmas trees or Christmas lights and stuff. If you don't like that vibe, this is still that Christmassy festive without that like over like sweet and chocolatey. It's more of the coffee, so I like this. This is a really good like everyday drink for me. I love the caramel brulee. Next we have a tall gingerbread latte. I love gingerbread so much. This one's like everywhere. Everywhere. I feel like a lot of drinks, if they're coffee in them, they just kind of just taste like coffee with a little bit of added things to it, if that makes sense. Like I just taste coffee a lot with a lot of lattes, even if it's like a caramel latte. Not this one though, but just in general. And this one, it doesn't taste like coffee at all. It just tastes like literally like gingerbread syrup and hot steamed milk. Like that's what it tastes like. So good. It's got that ginger. I feel like the frap though, compared to this, the frap has more ginger flavor, but she's beautiful, she's stunning. She's short and green. And the very last one that we're trying is, what is this? I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness, it doesn't say. What was it? Oh, the peppermint mocha. Ooh. I'm not a big peppermint fan, but sometimes, you know, if the season is right. It's very pepperminty. It's disgusting. You're not gonna hear the typical PiinkSparkles yum with this because it's yuck. Okay, let's dial it down. It's not disgust, but I just wouldn't sip on this. I have so many suggestions for them. A sugar cookie frap, a hot chocolate, like a hot cocoa frap or something like that. I feel like there's so many flavors of crispy out there that I don't like this. My favorite one is the gingerbread frap. It's so good. You can also get it iced. So yummy. I love them. That was my whole video, but I just wanted to give some cheer, spread some positivity, make you guys happy and smile. Just bring some festive stuff. I love you guys so much. I just want to also say thank you guys for being so sweet, supportive, watching my vlog channel, giving me amazing comments, just being lights in the life that we live right now, because it can be dark times, not only for the world right now, in certain countries dealing with things, but us as individuals, we can be going through so much, and you don't know what anybody's going through. They could have a smiley face and come on, and you know, even if walking in a store, you don't know what anyone is going through. So just be kind, and I just want to say my appreciation for all you guys being kind to me. Thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and let me know what your favorite Starbucks holiday drink is, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.